everyone, let's take a look at this worksheet and see how you did. So remember, we're supposed to read the word and then add our super E and draw a picture of it. So if I read this word, this is kit. Now I'm going to write kit and I'm going to add the E. The E tickles the I to say its own name. I. Kite. Okay. And a kite is something you can take into the air. You let it fly into the air. So there's my kite. Okay. Pin. Okay. I'm going to write pin. And then I'm going to add my super E. The E tickles the I to say its own name. I. So pine, that one might be a little tricky for you. Pine is a tree. It's a pine tree. So Christmas trees are pine trees. Okay, so I'm just going to draw my little pine tree. They kind of look like a big triangle. Okay, there's my pine tree. Okay, let's look at the next one. Can. Add your super E. The E tickles the A to say its own name. A. Cane. So when I think of a cane, people who might struggle walking or are afraid they'll slip, maybe they might need to use a cane, or maybe you just want to draw a candy cane. Okay, we like to eat candy canes. Okay, either way. This is plan. Okay. The E tickles the A to say its own name. A. Plane. I am not the best at planes. I don't think I've ever really drawn a plane. There's the wheels because they haven't flown off yet. There's where the person flies. Kind of looks like a bird. I don't know. There we go. Okay, now let's look at the other one. I'm going to get my highlighter. Now remember, we're looking for our super E words that make the vowel long or say its name. I already did the top. So Luke will race his car. He will follow the rules. Now this one was tricky because the E tickles the U to say its own name. Rules. Okay, even though there's an S, there's still our super E. So he will be safe. Okay, there's my super E. If he is not safe, his wife will make him ride his mule. A mule is like a donkey. Luke is going to town to vote for the king. Okay, so those are the ones that would have been highlighted. Now, let me read this story one time without using the highlighter. Luke will race his car. He will follow the rules, so he will be safe. If he is not safe, his wife will make him ride his mule. Luke is going to town to vote for the king. Now, it's really important, friends, that when we read a story, we understand what we're reading. Okay, so what will Luke race? Now, instead of just writing the word, I'd like you to write Luke. Remember your 5-star handwriting. Luke will race his car. Now, you might have just have written car, and that's fine. But what we're trying to teach you is that you want to say part of the question to make the answer. So what will Luke race? You're going to say Luke will race his car. Okay. Does Luke follow the rules? Let's see. He will follow the rules. So he will be safe. So you're going to write Luke follows the rules. If you wrote yes, that's okay. We're just trying to help you learn how to answer the question with a full sentence. So Luke follows the rules. See how I used the question to answer it? What will Luke ride if he is not safe? Okay, let's go back to our writing. Our reading. If he is not safe, his wife will make him ride his mule. So you might have written mule, and if you wrote mule, that's great. But we want to do a full sentence answer, so we don't need what will. We would start with Luke. Luke will ride his mule. Okay. Will have to ride his mule because he doesn't really want to. Okay, last one. Who is Luke voting for? Okay, so if you wrote king, you are right. He's voting for the king, right? So we wouldn't say who is, we would say Luke, because that's our noun. Luke is voting for the king. And that's not a proper noun because we don't know which king it is. Okay? So, once again, I'm trying to help you understand. From now on, we want to answer our question with a full sentence. If you didn't, that's okay. We're just kind of starting this, but hopefully next time you'll be able to remember that. Okay, bye everyone.